So why do partners work with us? It's not like they don't have smart people. The people inside their companies are brilliant. And I'm not going to argue with anybody who's achieved a high-level strategic position within a Fortune 500 company. They're incredibly accomplished people. But it's all about speed to market and domain expertise. And that's really where our value adds, it really comes in. They've got the vision. They know what they have to do. It's just a matter of who becomes a force multiplier for us. And they're fantastic about providing us with that kind of feedback and where they want us to take it. And our job is to execute quickly, but incredibly great people to work with. So again, we're really empathetic in terms of what our customers want to do to solve this problem. And it's the same thing. If someone came to us and said, go build a commercial robotic mower, we would be like, oh my gosh, we're gonna have to learn this from scratch. We probably couldn't get it done. So we understand the challenge that they're facing. We know they're super smart people, but we understand what the challenge is to do something that is a little bit beyond what you're doing today. So that's where, again, that's where we come in, working with super smart partners who've got the vision, but need the execution. So that's our part in there.
And we've worked with multiple companies, so you probably hear some of the same stories
over and over again. Over and over again. And while there can be a little bit of not invented here opposition within the company, that usually, once they see their proof of concept vehicle up and running with our brain on it, that goes away.
I'm sure their product managers love that.
They do, and I think they totally understand that it was really their brains driving it, but it's really their vision that's driving it, but we're the part that makes it happen.